Lesson 33, Problem Set. Let's go through this together. Put your name at the top of the paper. And directions for 1 and 2 say, cross off, when needed, to subtract. 6 subtract 1 equals. They made a 5 group for us here. They colored in 5 circles. Then they added another one without it being colored in. So it shows us 5, 6. 6 subtract 1 is, cross off 1 because we're subtracting 1. How many do we have left over? Right, we have 5. We didn't even need to count them again. We know that this is a 5 group. Number 2, 6 subtract 0. Here's our 5 group and another one. That's 5, 6. We are taking away how many? Yes, we're taking away 0. We don't need to cross any out. So how many dots do we have? Correct. We have 6. If you want, make a 5 group drawing for each problem, like the ones above, and then show the subtraction. I have already went ahead and made our 5 groups for these problems 3 through 10. You can color in circles and make blank circles like I have if you would like. If not, we'll get to that later together. Follow along with me. Number 3, 7 subtract 1. Here's my 5, 6, 7. We need to subtract 1. Cross off 1. How many do we have now? 5, 6. Number 4, 7 subtract 0. Here's our 5, 6, 7. How many do we take away? Right, we take away 0, which leaves us with how many dots? 5, 6, 7. Number 5, we have 5, 10. 10 subtract 1. We need to subtract 1. Cross 1 off. How many do we have left over? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Number 6, 5, 10. 10 subtract 0. We don't take any away. How many do we have left? 5, 10. Number 7, we have 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 subtract 1 equals, how many do we need to subtract? Yes, we subtract 1. We take away 1. Let's count. 5, 6, 7. Look over at number 8. We have 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 subtract 0. How many do we cross off? Right, we take away 0. Do not cross any circles. 5, 6, 7, 8. We still have 8 circles. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 subtract 1. How many do we need to take away? Correct, we take away 1. We subtract 1. And that gives us how many? 5, 6, 7, 8. Look over at number 10. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 subtract 0 equals, how many do we need to take away? Right, we don't take away any. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is what we're left with. Did you notice as I did each of these problems, I know that this is a 5 group. There's always 5 in this group. So I don't have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can say 5. Look down at numbers 11 through 16. Let's look at number 11. 6 subtract 1. They already drew their 6 circles for us. We need to subtract 1. That means to take away how many? 1. And we have a 5 group left. Look at number 12. 8 subtract 1. How many do we take away? 1. How many do we have left? 5, 6, 7. Number 13. 9 subtract 0. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many do we take away? 0. That leaves us with the same number. Let's go down to number 14. I have drawn them to help me visualize. 7 subtract 1. If I subtract 1, I have 5, 6. Number 15. If I subtract 0 from 8, I still have what number? 8. 9 subtract 1. If you take away 1, you're going one number lower than 9. What's the number lower than 9? 8. Let's double check that work. 5, 6, 7, 8. Fill in the missing number. Visualize your 5 groups to help you. Instead of drawing them this time, let's just visualize. We know that when we take away 1, we have the number that's 1 less than 7. And when we take away 0, we have the same number. 6 subtract 0. We remember it's the same number. 6. B. 6 subtract 1. We remember that it's 1 lower than 6, which is 5. 7 subtract, we don't know, equals 7. If the total is the same number, then how many did we take away? We didn't take away any. It's the same number. 0. Look at D. 7 subtract 1. We need the number 1 less than 7. What's one number lower than 7? 6. E. 8 subtract 0. That gives us the same number. F. 8 subtract unknown equals 7. I can see that 7 is 1 less than 8. If I count, I would go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's one number in between. You took away 1 from 8. 9 subtract equals 9. How many do we take away to get 9? We don't take away any. 0. 9 subtract 1. What's one number less than 9? 8. 10 subtract what gives us 10? They are the same number, so we take away how many? Right, we take away 0. 10 subtract how many equals 9? How many did we take away to go down to number 9? We took away 1.